Step 13. This has a lot of different parts to it, so we're going to go slow. So on the pie chart, change the layout of the pie to layout 2. So let's go back. There's our inventory chart pie. Notice how you now have 2 new tabs. One is design, one is format. In the design tab, inside chart tools, this is where you're going to find your chart layout group. Click on quick layout, and as you hover, you will see which one is 2. So we're going to click on that. Now let's go back. Next part. Change the title to store inventory. Here's our title. If you click on it, and then we could just click and drag and store inventory, if I remember correctly. Let's just make sure that inventory is also capitalized because that's what it seems to want. Then you can just click anywhere. There's our new title. Next thing, change the data label position to data callout. These guys with the numbers are your data labels. If I click in one of them, they all get highlighted. Now here we could format it through there. We could also click on chart elements, which is the plus sign, then come to data labels and click on the arrow, and there's our data callout. So I'm going to choose that, and notice how it's actually much more readable because they're outside of the pie. So we changed the data label to data callout. There's a hint. It tells you another way. There are so many ways of doing things. They're all correct as long as you accomplish what the step asks for. So now we're going to add the file name element in the left footer and the sheet name element in the right footer. So let's see, file name in the left footer. So let's go back here. Let's click on insert. Inside the group that's called text, there's our header and footer. From here, we're going to click on custom header. Left section, there is our file name. So file name in the left footer and sheet name in the right footer. Custom header again. Now I confused the computer. Let's hit cancel. Apparently I have to do both at once. So we're going to add the file name here, and in the right section we are going to find our sheet name. We're going to hit OK, and we're going to hit OK again. So now one way to double check that you have everything in the right place is if you go to File and Print, notice how I actually put the footer in the header. So this is great to double check your work and go back and fix it if needed be. So insert, header footer, custom header. Let's come back here. How do I get rid of it? Backspace or delete. Now let's go back and double check that one more time. Print. Now it's gone. Let's go back and actually put our footer in the footer. There we go. Notice this is custom header, this is custom footer. Left section, there's our insert file name. Right section, click here, and then insert sheet name. Hit OK, hit OK again. Let's go back and double check one last time. And there it is. Nothing in the header, and there are footers. Looks good to go.